Hello, my name is Katerina. Before I start, just a bit sorry about all this balloon mess situation here, because since I told her my last video, it was my 25th birthday, and when I got home my mom and dad got me a surprise and I had my room full of balloons. So now I have them right here, and that's why you have the balloons over there. So let's move to the thing that brought us here. So I'm here today to do the unboxing of a very exciting item. I'm here to talk about the new Apple Watch 6. So we ordered it on the day it was launched, and it took us about 2 weeks and a half to get it. We ordered through the Apple website to Portugal. So I'm so excited. I waited a few days because I didn't have the time to record it, just to be opening this with you in the video, so I can wait. So let's go. So it has here the plastic. Just remove it, and I just love the Apple packaging. It's so clean. So here it says Apple Watch. I bought the Apple Watch 40mm in rose gold. And let's open it. So it has here a thing that we need to put up, and then it opens, and in the other side is actually the same thing. And then it's so nice, look, I love it. The packaging is so nice inside. A lot of Apple Watches, I love it. And then chon 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 chon, yeah, it comes with two different boxes, one for the bracelet and the other for the watch. So we open it. So in here, this is so soft. This is so soft. I love it. This is a kind of a case. And in here it comes the USB charger. And for the bracelet, let's open it. So after we remove it, we just have to open it, and then it comes like this, with a paper with some instructions, and then it comes like this, and we open it, and it has some instructions on how to assemble the bracelet. And it comes here. It's so beautiful. I love pink. My old one is the grey one and with black, so I'm so excited to finally have a pink one. So let's do it. So I'm here assembling my Apple Watch, and I just have to do it like this. And then voila, I have already assembled my Apple Watch. It's so beautiful. I love the color. And then I just have to put here. It's super easy, and it's already came with some battery, so when I touch it already turn on with some instructions. So I have to choose Portuguese, and then have to choose my country. I will put Portugal as well. Portugal, okay. And now I just have to connect with my phone. So that's it. The unboxing of the new Apple Watch 6, the rose gold. I'm super happy because I really like the size. I used to have the 44mm Apple Watch because it was from my dad, and I was already used to it, but once I put the 40, it looks so much better. I can show you. I'm sorry, but my Apple Watch is so old, but the difference is, as you can see, it looks a lot more girly, more classy. I think it fits better my arm, and it's super comfortable. Like, I almost don't feel that I have a watch. So I'm going to use this for some days, and then I will give you feedback on another video about a review of the new Apple Watch. Stay there. Thank you so much for watching.